Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove a credit card account from QuickBooks Online. Alright, let's begin. First, open QuickBooks and tap on the Lists option in the menu. Select Chart of Accounts. A list of all your accounts will appear. Next, double-click the credit card account you want to remove. This will show all transactions linked to that account. Now, tap on the first transaction in the list and select Edit Transaction. A new window will open with transaction details. Tap the Delete button in the toolbar. A warning will appear, notifying you that deleting the transaction will make the associated bill outstanding. Confirm by selecting OK, then tap Save and Close to finalize the deletion. Repeat this process for all remaining transactions linked to the credit card account. Once all transactions are deleted, return to the Chart of Accounts window. Right-click on the credit card account name and select Delete Account. Confirm the deletion by tapping OK. So that's basically how you can remove a credit card account from QuickBooks Online. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.